Alright, so as part of my Christmas unboxing, I have to unbox this item. So the way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. So these items I got from what we call like a pasabay in the Philippines, wherein like you ask somebody to get some items for you. Alright, so now we are going to unbox my Anastasia Beverly Hills items straight from the Anastasia Beverly Hills website. They have a European website, but they do not ship in Sweden, which is very annoying. But yeah, all of them are straight from the US, and I have to pay customs fee and tax for this one, and I didn't really have the best experience because I only made one order and I already calculated how much tax and fees I am going to pay. I end up paying twice because somebody just decided that they wanted to ship it in two things and put the total of my the total of the items that I bought on one or on both of them. So I have to pay about 1,500 worth of Swedish krona here and then another here, like $150 and $150. Like, what is that? But anyways, let's do unbox. I am still in dispute, so hopefully they give my money back or they do something about it because it was completely not my fault. So let's unbox this one. Alright, so on this first box, it's like this. And then I have this very big dark bubble wrap. Ooh, I have 3 Norvina palettes in here. So I got this first Norvina right here. And this is the OG Norvina, but there's like shadows all over, so I hope nothing's broken. This is Norvina 1, the one with the regular palette. And then for this package, they also include my order of Norvina 3 over here. And then lastly is the Norvina 2. So that means the Norvina 1 and the 4 is on the other box. Okay. And then I'm unboxing this one. Okay. Looks like this. And then we have here the very nice and pink Norvina 4. That is so stunning. There you go. That's the Norvina 4. Very pretty. Box in pink. And this must be the Norvina 1. Everything should have come with this one, so it's extra protection. Okay. Alright. This is how they should arrive, all of them, one by one. This is better to make sure that they are protected. Okay, so that's the Norvina one, I mean the big, on the big palettes. So let me put them here in order, and then I am going to open them one by one. Alright, so let's start with this one, which I am a little scared because this one looks broken. Because there's powder all over there. Oh my god, that is so broken! That is so broken! I have to take photos of this. Alright, so this is heartbreaking because I am 100% sure that this is broken. Oh yeah, it is. Look at that. Oof. Oh my gosh. This is the one that I actually really wanted, but it's, oh my gosh. Oh. So, oh my gosh. So it's like 4 shades are broken here, the ones that are on the top. As you see, that is like completely splashed, that one too, and then this, and then a little bit of, actually mostly of the things that are above. They're very bad. Okay, I have to send the photos to their customer service so they see this. Alright, to save time, I already unboxed them because I wanted to check them all off camera so that I will not sound so heartbroken like the first one. So this is the Norvina 1, the ABH Norvina Collection 2, ABH Norvina Collection 3, and ABH Norvina Collection 4. Let's start with the first one. It has a purple box like so, in a very nice print. So this is the OG of the big palettes then. This has mixed reviews, but this is still something that I really wanted to try. Of course, this first one and the last one, which is the pink. And this is how it looks inside. I think it has really nice and pretty colors. So I'm gonna try the formulation of this one, and I think there's a lot of looks that I could make with this palette, and I'm pretty excited about that. The ABH Norvina 2. This is the box. So it has some gold in there, and then this looks like a Tiffany blue. And this is how it looks at the back. The ABH Norvina Collection 3. That's how it looks for the box. It has this gold butterfly design and orange in there. So this is very spring, summer vibes. And then there's actually like not a dent to open it easily. But there you go. So this one has more of a neon vibes. Like so. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 shimmers. I think most of them are mattes. Yeah, that smells weird. That smells like China shadows. So that's that. Last but definitely not the least, the one that I'm more excited about because of course it's pink, it's minimalist. I like how pretty that is. And this one is the ABH Norvina number 4. That just recently came out this year, 2020. And it looks like this. Yeah, still made in PRC. All of them are made in PRC. So let me open. And yeah, I think I resonate more on this type of shades right here. I think they're like more wearable for me. They're pretty. That is like a press glitter. Oh my gosh, how many press glitters do we have here? 2. Yeah, I think that's like 2 press glitters in there. For those who doesn't love glitters, they will not appreciate this palette because that's a waste for them. But yeah, I do not really have an issue with pressed glitters. But yeah, so there. That's all of the ABH Norvina collection palettes that I got. Thank you so much for watching this video, everybody, and I hope that you like it and that this helped you decide on which ABH Norvina collection palette you are going to pick up if you want just one or all of them depending on the color story. But I'm going to do another video wherein I'm going to do a makeup look and swatches, so stay tuned and be subscribed to my YouTube channel so you'll be updated on all of my future videos and giveaways. See ya! Remember to stay fierce and fly high.